everyone, so today we are, wait, this is the second channel. I don't need to say that here. I have been wanting to do this video for longer than I'd even like to admit, to be honest. I saw Drew Gooden do this years ago, and I was just like, what? That is like the most intriguing, yet dystopian, yet enticing thing I've seen in a while. It is food that has been compacted into a little tiny square, almost like living in real Minecraft times. Let me explain it. Okay, so here it is. It's called Square Eat. Seriously makes me feel like we're moving into living in WALL-E times, but in a good way almost. One of their sayings is, we make it easy to be healthy. 100% real food, natural, long-lasting. So at first glance, this might look like it wouldn't be natural food because, you know, it's food as a perfect square, but apparently it's all natural food. And even more than that, it is free of GMOs, gluten, dairy, soy, onion, garlic, and refined sugar. So my thought process was like, if you're someone who's always in a rush or on the go, or you don't like cooking, maybe this truly is an option. So we've got sweet potato pack, rice, quinoa, broccoli and spinach, asparagus, zucchini, chicken, beef, salmon, sea bass, beans, vegan burger, vegan cheese, which is nice, they have vegan options as well. Even the sweets, everything is just a perfect little square. But I need to know what we're all probably curious about. What does it taste like? I have kept this entire concept a secret from my mom. She simply knows she's going to taste test something today, and I can't wait to see her reaction when she sees the food in perfect cubes. Oh, and I didn't even touch on this. This does not ship to Canada at all. I even reached out to them over email and Instagram, and they never responded to me. So I strategically waited until I was going to be spending some time in California, and as soon as I arrived, I ordered it. So here's what it came in. Goodness. Oh my gosh. This box is a little beat up, which is fine. Okay. Oh my gosh. The salmon. Oh no, oh no, one of the sweet potatoes flew out. Hey, another sweet potato is opened. What the heck? Like, I wonder if they're fine to eat after they've been opened for I don't know how long. Okay, this is a peanut one, so these can't be open. See, I'm allergic to peanuts, as you guys know, but I wanted to get that one because I honestly thought my dad would be a fan, so I'm just gonna put those over there. The way I could die if I ate the peanut one. The way that this could just kill me. I got a lot of them because I honestly thought this was gonna be something that would be really awesome for me. Like, I was gonna really enjoy it. I'm not gonna lie, I am disturbed at a few of the beef ones. There's like a light thing going on down there. No, seriously, what is that?
What was that?
I just don't know. Okay, so it looks like the chicken ones and the chocolate pancakes don't have any artwork on them for whatever reason. Those are those ones. Okay, here's what we're dealing with. We had 2 casualties of the sweet potato. Okay, you may come in. Maybe come in with your eyes closed.
Okay.
Your seat here. Wait, you're about to. That's your seat.
Oh, there's a chair here.
Okay, Mom.
Okay.
We have a taste test today. Open your eyes.
What is that? Is it all mushed together and then put into, like for people that don't like eating, that they just munch it all together?
Yes and no. It's not for people who don't like eating. It's for people who maybe don't want to cook or don't want to clean, or they need lots of protein, or like they just want to eat something quick and on the go. This one's chicken. I don't know why there's no emblem. And then this is chocolate pancake. So I think we should try one of each.
Is one little square condensed in one serving?
This is kind of like a full meal right here. 3 chicken, 2 sweet potato, and 1 asparagus.
That is so bizarre. So much about eating for me is the visual of it, and it has to look nice, and this just like, it's kind of space food-ish.
For me, it's a lot about texture.
You might like this because you don't like chewing.
True. So, for your first meal, I'm thinking we'll start light with like a chicken, rice, and maybe asparagus.
Sure.
So they just take 30 seconds per square. Do you want to smell it?
Oh, it smells strong like asparagus.
Microwave it right on the plate.
Oh, interesting.
Maybe I will.
Okay.
Okay, the rice one. This is the one that I'm like, I have the most like feeling of I can do this.
Yeah, the rice doesn't scare me for some reason.
Oh, that smells good.
Oh yeah, that does smell just like rice.
Okay, rice. Okay, let's try this.
Bring my lunch. Bring my lunch. I'm ready. Not. It's ready.
I've been looking forward to this for like months. Could I swallow this like a pill? Like, could I just take it like an oyster and just go?
That's what I'm wondering.
And then I have like all my daily nutrients. Just take like 3 of these.
Yeah, like push them in. I thought they'd be more squishy, but they're actually firm. I say that we should start like the rice first, just because.
Okay, Mom. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. Oh, it's flavorful. There's obviously some seasoning on there.
It just tastes like a ball of dough or rice just bunched up. Like that one's not bad.
I like that one.
I like that one too. I'm just scared of the other ones. Some people like to smear asparagus on toast. And so like this you could butter your toast with and have like asparagus on toast. Oh gosh. Oh,
I like need some rice. We're avoiding the chicken.
I know.
Should we?
We should. It almost cuts like a piece of chicken breast.
It does kind of actually. Like that doesn't look too much off of a chicken breast.
Yeah. It's like a chicken loaf.
Like a meatloaf.
Yeah. That one's not bad.
That one's good. No, wait. That one's actually really good. I like, honestly, I'm impressed. If you guys have ever had canned soup that has chicken in it, and the chicken kind of is like, is this actually chicken? That's what this tastes and feels like.
Yeah, not bad.
2 out of 3 were really good.
Yeah.
The asparagus, I don't know. I don't know if I could do it.
I might have to try just a tiny morsel again. Now that I'm kind of used to the consistency.
I hope the mic picked up on that sound. Okay, you guys, the next meal we're gonna go for is we're gonna go for beef, sweet potato, and let's go for broccoli and spinach. I'm gonna prepare our meal. See, this one was kind of open. Do you think that's of concern?
Did someone tamper with our sweet potatoes?
Mom, should we not eat it?
I don't think anybody would have gotten at it.
No, I don't think it, I think it's fine. It wouldn't be the first time we do a video on this channel of eating all expired food.
Right.
It doesn't smell too bad, actually.
It kind of, you know what it kind of reminds me of?
What?
You know how if you were to, hey, what was that?
What?
If you were making ravioli and you're stuffing it with ground beef, like really minced up beef, that it would be kind of like that in the ravioli.
Yes, you're so right. Okay, second meal. Second breakfast. I like how quickly you can just cook it up.
Yeah. Like if you're running late and you're in a pinch,
You're like, fry me a chicken square. Like, my dream for this would be that I can just like head to the fridge and eat like an entire meal in like 5 seconds.
Round 2.
Which one scares you the least?
The one that scares me the least is probably the sweet potato.
Me too. Let's do that one first. They very much feel like gelatin.
They do. It smells very potent, right?
This one shouldn't be too much of a difficulty because every time I've tried to make sweet potato fries, they turn into just mush. This really shouldn't be too far off what I'm used to. That's not bad.
That's not bad.
Broccoli, spinach.
Oh.
This is potentially, like, in my opinion, the most healthy one. Like, if you could pound spinach quickly.
Yeah. This one scares me quite a little bit, actually. Oh. I'm not loving this one. It needs cheese.
I mean, that's hard though. Like, how do you honestly make spinach and broccoli taste good in cube form?
Yeah.
It needs like maybe a little bit of garlic or something.
Yeah. Think ravioli filling, because we're not used to meat like this.
That wasn't bad.
I'm not minding that because you know what?
It's like a meatball.
That's what I was gonna say. It reminds me of a meatball. So far, we don't like the vegetable ones.
Shocker. Okay, Mom, next we have salmon and zucchini. So I can't do the slammin because I'm allergic to slammin.
Yeah, how convenient.
So I'm just gonna do the zucchini. What? Did I not record? Zucchini and I have a difficult relationship.
Yeah, this is a tough one.
This might be the hardest one.
It smells like a pumpkin.
It does smell like a pumpkin. Should we?
Let's
just do it.
Let's do it.
I'm okay.
It's not the best, that one.
But like, I feel like it's good for you.
I feel like it is too. And I'm not really worried about the salmon. I feel like I'm gonna like this. It might feel like cat food though.
You potentially could really like this.
I potentially could like this because I like salmon a lot.
Get into it.
Okay, here we go. It's good.
Is it?
I could eat that one. I am eating it and I could eat it.
Okay, last, we are treating ourselves to a dessert, chocolate pancake.
Ooh, this looks like a brownie.
It does look like a brownie.
This can only go down because I have high expectations.
It's true. I think it's still like, on the grand scheme of things, supposed to be a healthy chocolate pancake, so like gauge that. It's probably more dark chocolate than milk chocolate.
Right, and it's not smothered with like maple syrup or whipped cream.
Yeah. You would have to be so healthy to appreciate that. I'd rather a Chobani flip. For people at home that maybe are actually interested in these, I'm gonna rate the ones that tasted the best. I feel like it's worth mentioning that my dad tasted all of these and he loved all of them. And he has literally eaten every single one. Like, you saw how many I bought, they were all laying on the table. My dad has single-handedly eaten all of them in the span of like a week and a half. He loves them. He thinks they're so flavorful, so tasty, and so easy. And he's someone who likes to eat healthy but doesn't enjoy cooking. I swear he should be like the spokesperson for this company because he loves them. And yes, I lost my voice.
I'm so intrigued by this concept. Like, I think there's a time and a place for this. Could be a real time saver. It's interesting. I'm liking it.
All right, well, I guess that was us eating foods that were squares.
That was a good idea that they did.
They did.
They did a good idea.